Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Molten Glass Creations. I'm on the home page and I really love the header area, the logo. It is a little bit oversized because it takes half of the screen in the above the fold area. So above the fold is the area displayed on the screen without scrolling down. So this is the best converting area for any website. So making sure that your images, your products are displayed as soon as someone lands on your website is much more important for the conversion. Definitely can improve sales, because if someone could see this necklace in full along the shop now button, he will be or she will be much more likely to click it and to shop, which will improve your conversion rate. However, at the moment this product kind of disappears from view, definitely the call to action button disappears as well. So I do recommend reducing the header area slightly. Simplify the logo and move it to this side of the screen, then move the top menu to the top. It can be still displayed in the middle. However, it will not take that much space. So the logo and the menu will take just a little bit of area, just a little bit of space in the header. So the rest of the content will be pulled up the page, which will be much better for the conversion rate. However, the featured image is beautiful, good quality image. Shop now call to action button is a link to the collection, so that's perfect. I also recommend changing the color font of this text, because it's difficult to read, especially against the light background. So make sure to optimize it much better. Okay, I like that you are telling what makes you unique, and obviously the product images are absolutely beautiful. You seem to have professionally made photographs of your products, because those kind of detailed designs, it's important that you capture the real depth of the item, of obviously of the design and the color. So you're doing very good job with the images. I really like that. So these are the featured collections here. I understand that this is featured collection here as well. However, from the conversion rate point of view, I would rather see 3 or 6 or 9 products here instead of just this kind of artsy image, which is obviously important, but it doesn't work for the conversion rate as well as the products would be, because if you showed products here, people would be likely to click and shop right away, which will definitely boost your conversion rate. So think about optimizing this element further. But I can see that you've got featured items here. I don't see the prices, but perhaps this is the strategy. But the product titles are SEO friendly as well. I would add more products to the homepage. The focus of the homepage really should be to direct visitors to the collections, to the products, to keep people browsing, to keep people clicking and buying, obviously. So this is really important to convert the visitors into buyers. However, you've got plenty of engaging content, which is excellent. I would just like to see more products, more chances for people to click to your products and buy. However, the footer is nicely optimized. You've got calls to trust signals here, additional navigation. I recommend also adding a link to your products, link to your shop section, so people don't have to scroll all the way up to buy from you. They can easily click to your products from the footer, which would be definitely better for the user experience and better for the conversion rate. However, you open the social media links in your tab, so that's excellent. The collection page, as you can see, there's not much displayed when it comes to products. Not much displayed above the fold because of this oversized header area, and then you've got feature text on the collection, which also takes a space, and obviously the title. So as you can see, people don't see any of your beautiful designs as soon as they land on the collection page. So make sure to optimize the above the fold better. So for example, if someone clicks on the collection, they can see at least the first row of products. It will be much better for the conversion rate, much more engaging, much more inviting to browse further. You don't want your visitors to keep browsing up and down, up and down. It's quite bad for the user experience right now, and definitely can affect conversion rate and sales. It's the same on the product page. The product image is not displayed above the fold, so it will be great to optimize it better for the conversion. However, add to cart by now are visible above the fold, which is perfect. The product images are beautiful, really nicely photographed. I can see the item in detail, so that's perfect. It's a beautiful design. The product descriptions are beautifully written, unique product descriptions, and you've got also bullet points. So if someone has got a time, they want to spend time to read the description, they can. But if they're in a rush, they can also see the key information about the product, and they can quickly buy and check out. So this is perfect for the conversion. So that's really good. I like that you've got related items. However, make sure that the designs are truly related to the design that someone is viewing. For example, if someone is viewing polka dot earrings, it means that they like the design. That they may be there might be likely, if they don't buy golden ones, they might be likely to buy green ones or red ones. However, if you show completely different designs, they're not likely to invite the visitor to browse further because they're not in the same style. And I know that these are the Shopify default related items settings, because obviously Shopify shows the first three products from the same collection as the product on this particular page. So there is not much that you can do in terms of the Shopify default settings. However, I would encourage you to add a Shopify app instead of the related product settings. So you will have more control over the products that you will show as related products when someone will be viewing design like that. So it will definitely improve your sales. It will definitely improve the cross-selling and upselling, and also help the whole user experience, help to improve how people browse, how people interact with the website. The About Us page looks great. I love the quality image here at the top. You tell about your story, tell about yourself, which is really important for building trust, for building authority, which is excellent. I recommend reducing the size, the height of this image. And for some reason, you've got completely different name as it looks like it's copyright by a different company. So think about maybe using a different image. However, because this image is so high, it creates this kind of gap between the paragraphs, which don't really look that professional. So think about optimizing this content further. You can definitely wrap this part around the image, and obviously the lower part of the text around the image, so you reduce the gap. However, I like the borders here, so that's nice. Okay, you've got personal photo here, so this is really really important for sales as well, especially that you are creating one of your designs, so that further improves trust, improves the rapport, builds the rapport, which definitely is important for the conversion. So this is really really well done. People love to see who's behind the brand, who's behind the designs. This image looks great, and you've got call to action button. However, make sure to optimize this text as I mentioned in the previous image, so the text is darker and it's easier to read against the light background as well. The shipping page looks great. You inform that you are shipping to all of the locations and how long is the delivery, which is perfect. Consider also adding the cost of the delivery. People will be interested. How much are they likely to pay? Even if the delivery is free, make sure to specify it here so people know how much they will be charged, because obviously this is quite a sensitive matter, and people will want to know how much is a delivery on top of the cost of the product. Also consider adding the returns policy. People will be looking for this information as well, so make sure to have it as a separate returns policy linked from your footer menu, so people can click it, can view it, can see if there are any exceptions to the refund policy, how long is the policy, where to return the items, how to contact you in case of trouble. So all of these are important for the conversion. And if people will have problems finding this info, if it's kind of hidden, if it's not displayed, um, people actually might hesitate buying from you. Some people, but it's really really small percentage that people uh, will actually make an effort to contact you to find out, or make an effort and browse the website. But majority of people go the easy route, and they actually will buy from someone who makes the process easy, who makes this information easily available. So adding this kind of info and improving the user experience is definitely crucial for the conversion, especially now that the websites, the all of the niches are just so competitive, and it's so easy just for the customer to jump to another website. So remember to make all of these little final details added, because they also count to your conversion rate. When I clicked to your blog, I was taken to an external website that opens in the same tab, and so it can be a little bit. It looks almost identical. However, I recognize this is a WordPress website with a custom domain, so it would be much better for your SEO and obviously for your browsing time if people were reading these posts on your own website, because Shopify does have very, very good blog. So I do recommend hosting the blog on Shopify, because the time that people spend reading the blog posts is really important for Google. Google also counts that as the sign that people engage with your content and they find it valuable. So if you send visitors to an external website, they read the posts on completely different sites, so it doesn't really improve your dwell time, your SEO. So remember to host blog post on your own Shopify site. That's really, really, really crucial. So remember to you can hold this obviously WordPress blog, but from now on consider adding the future blog post to your own Shopify store, and then link it from the top menu. You can have the same layout, the same setup. When I looked up how well is your homepage optimized for the typical keywords such as glass bead jewelry, I've got an information that that the page is not inaccessible for the bots to really index it. So that could be a little bit worrying. I would definitely inspect it, what's causing the bots not to index the website, not to index the page, because that can definitely affect how Google crawls your website, and obviously how it is indexed in the search engine. So I do recommend inspecting it further. Your SEO score is 59 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is within the character limits, the meta title and meta description. However, it needs optimization. The meta title is missing the default brand name, which can definitely hurt your recognition, hurt your branding, because if people don't see your brand name, they won't be able to build this kind of authority, to build this recognition over time. And also the meta title is just a string of keywords, so remember to optimize it a little bit further. I do have video on how to optimize the Google snippet, so please check it out. And also the meta title, meta description also needs optimization, just a little bit more, to stand out in the search engine, stand out from the competition with a little bit more information, a little bit more unique information. You've got H1 tag nicely optimized, so this is perfect, contains your keyword. Then you've got H2, H3, but then you should really continue at H4, H5, and H6. Don't jump between the heading tag size, because that can also confuse the Google bots. Also remember about adding more written content. As I mentioned, blogging regularly can help you do that. Blogging regularly on the Shopify site, so obviously hosting the future blog posts on your own Shopify site, and also optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags. They can also help Google bots understand what's in each image. Hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.